Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create store procedure in SQL Server Management Studio, and we have to modify that store procedure and drop. Today, first of all, we are going to use my database. I have created my database and inserted some value inside my database. So first of all, we just check our data inside our database. Okay, select. My table name is here. I have okay, inside my Avinash database I have a table name is employee. First we have to use that database. So that we have write the query use database name is Avinash, and just run it. Sorry for mistake here, a B. Okay, if you execute it, we found it's successfully executed. After that we just check our data. Basically my table name is here, you can find employee, so here we can write employee. If I run it, you can see our data. Basically in here I have taken 10 records for an example, and 5 column: employee ID, employee name, employee department, salary, and joining year. Then we have to create a store procedure. Store procedure. In store procedure, first of all we just learn in store procedure there is no same store procedure name in multiple store procedure. We have to use unique store procedure name for our different store procedure. Then we just create store procedures. Here create, then you can mention the procedure for our creating store procedure. Then we have mentioned the store procedure name. Store procedure for prefix sp. Then we can mention our name. Suppose I am given here Avinash 1. You can given any name as of you. And then we have just give us alias as. Then begin. Then we can mention our query, what we can fetch out from our table. So I am just for taking example, select star from employee where department ID is equal to, just take an example 1. Then we just end our query. For right end, if we run it, okay, for that we just, yes, it is showing our store procedure successfully created. For that we just refresh it, go to our database section, then open our database, go to programmability, and here you can see as store procedure. If we open it, we can find another store procedure name Avinash 1. Okay, then basically to calling our data, we can directly mention our store procedure name. Here you can put, if we run it, we just find out our value. Store procedure is basically used for automate our query. Do not write query again and again. We just call our store procedure name, it will give the result. It will also write in we can fetch data from different manner also. For that we just write execute, then our store procedure name. It is also given the same record for us. And another way also, execute then our store procedure name. If we execute it, we'll get same record for us. If you after that we just modify our data and modify our store procedure. For modifying our store procedure, if I just copy it from here, Control V, and I write some new query here, like select, just for example, Control C, Control V, where department ID is equal to, for an example. If we run it, we will get an error for this, because we know store procedure name is unique. So if we modify it, we just write here alter. Again we just run. Yes, our store procedure is successfully modified. Just refresh it. If we want to see our data, just copy and Control V. If we run, we'll find two things, like first statement will found the where department ID is equal to 1, and second statement find where department ID is equal to 2. Then we just learn how to drop it. Basically, for dropping our store procedure, you just write simple query dir drop. Write simple query drop procedure, then our procedure name, Control V. If I run here, it will our store procedure is properly dropped from our table. Our query successfully. If I refresh it, this store procedure will be vanished from here. Refresh it once. Yeah, you can find here in programmability there is no store procedure name. That's all for today. Thank you.